Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're unable to install Windows 11 using USB flash drive because of this error code 0x8007000D, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to try different USB port. So your computer has like different USB port. You can try different USB port and then check. You can plug in the flash drive to the motherboard USB port. So you might be having a USB port on the front or maybe on the left hand side. So try to plug in the flash drive to the motherboard USB port. It may be on in case of desktop, it may be at the back of the tower, and in like laptop, it may be also it may be on the back or maybe right hand side. So try to use in different brands, the motherboard USB ports may be at different locations, so you can figure it out and then connect the flash drive to the motherboard USB port and then check. You can even try USB 2.0 port and then check. And if not working, in that case, you can try 3.0 USB port and then check. Next step is to disconnect external devices. If you have any kind of external devices, like if you have external hard drive, controller, printer, any kind of USB flash drive, dongle, which you're not using, disconnect all the external devices and then try to install the Windows. Still not working? Keep boot mode to UEFI and the secure boot enabled in system BIOS. So you can go to your system BIOS and make sure the boot mode is set to UEFI and the secure boot is enabled in your system BIOS. Next step is to, while making media creation tool, disable your antivirus program, or if you have any third-party application or services running, close it. And once you're done creating media creation tool, then you can enable your antivirus program once again. Uninstall anti-cheat software, like if you have Faceit anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, or any kind of third-party application running while creating media creation tool, you can close these applications. Now the next step is to format the USB to FAT32. If not working, then you can try NTFS, and then you have to create media creation tool once again. So you can plug in the flash drive to your computer. Now you can go to File Explorer. This is my flash drive. When you format it, all the data will be gone. So if you want, you can create a backup, format, and FAT32. In my case, it is already set to FAT32. Now you can click on Start. Okay. Once the format is complete, now you can create media creation tool once again and then check. If that does not work, you can again format it, and then this time you can try NTFS, and then you can click on Start, and once the format is done, again create media creation tool. Now still not working, use Rufus. Now for this, instead of using Microsoft Media Creation Tool, you can use Rufus. Now for this, first of all, you have to download this Media Creation Tool, Windows 11. You can go to the website, and then you can scroll down, click on Media Creation Tool, download now, and then you can run the exe file. And then you have to click on Accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on Next. You have to select ISO file, not the flash drive this time. ISO file, then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. Click on Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on Finish. Let this close automatically. And once this is done, now you can install Rufus. So go to the official website, and then you can download the Rufus. Download this exe file, and once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on Yes, and then my flash drive is already detected over here. It's ISO image. Yeah, ISO image. So by default, ISO image is selected over here, and now I will select the ISO image from my desktop. Here you can see this is the file which we have just downloaded, and now you can start. Okay, okay, all the data will be gone. And once this is done, now you can use this flash drive to install Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to try another USB flash drive and create. You have to create. You have to do the MCT once again. So sometimes the flash drive is the problem. So you can change the flash drive. If you have a different flash drive, make sure that it's 16 or maybe 32 gigabyte flash drive, and then you have to go to the website. And this time, when you go for, you have to select flash drive, not the ISO file. You can use the Microsoft tool, except Windows 11. You have to select flash drive, next, and just make a bootable drive and then try to install it again, but on different flash drive. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.